Everyone, my name is Abhishek Kumar. My group partners are Vivek Singh and Nikita Gurpade. My project title is Design and Development of Android-based Real-Time Notice Board, and I am going to describe you about my entire project and entire flow of data. Now, in my project, we have developed an Android application for the teachers or for any official users. So what they will be doing is that they will be sending the data to be displayed on the notice board, and they'll be using the app which we have developed here. So this is the app, real-time notice board. First we'll be logging it out. For the new user we can register here, and for the old user we can directly log in. So I have my login ID. I am logging in. It's successfully logged in. Now I'll be directly writing the messages which I want to display on the notice board. Hello, Abhishek. This is the notice board. This is the notice which I want to display on the board. So I'll be sending it. It's showing message successfully sent. Now this message is to be displayed on the board, and we have developed this notice board in which the message is being shown here, and this we have used this 3.2 TFT LCD screen which is interfaced with the Raspberry Pi through the GPIO pins. And now what we have also developed is that this is the screen which is actually the web page, and what we have done is that this web page is automatically displayed as soon as the Raspberry Pi is booted on. So it's a completely automated system. This system doesn't want any human intervention. It means that it improves the older version of notice board in which a particular person is needed to change the notice board. So here the only thing is user has to do is that he has to use the app, he has to send the messages, and only thing he has to do is that he has to give the power supply to the Raspberry Pi, and automatically this notice board will be displayed. And also one thing is that this Raspberry Pi should be enabled with the Wi-Fi. So in this case I have used my mobile data to connect with this Raspberry Pi. So this is the description.